All right. Every time I go near, read that, baby.
Every time I go near my husband, Lord help me.
What is this about?
That's about men that they can't keep their hands off their wives.
That fall in that category.
Now. You do.
I do.
Sometimes I have to hide in my bathroom to change.
Baby, why are you lying?
I'm not lying. I'm dead serious.
You have to. How
You just
often,
don't know that I do that.
How
Because
often?
God forbid you see something hanging out. You won't let me be. I'm like, Jesus.
If something is hanging out, isn't it hanging out for me?
But I'm not, in that moment, I don't want it to be hanging out for you. I'm just trying to change into my pajamas so I can watch some TV.
Oh, God.
Every time you see something hanging out that you must do.
So you think every time I touch something I want to do?
That's how I feel.
Hey,
Okay.
well,
Yes.
this.
Must you do every time?
Yeah, I don't think so. Well, it's not that deep, first of all. But clearly it's
Not
that
that
deep
deep for you.
for a lot of people. Because I saw Auntie Shola DMV
said
say
the same-
the story of
yes.
my life. Like, who's Auntie?
Yes.
Auntie Shola, you know.
I can relate to Auntie Shola because look.
I wonder if
Yeah.
Auntie B feels the way.
Auntie B, well, she probably feels the same way. I mean, if Daddy Y is not in church,
If touchy feely like us.
right?
Can you imagine that? Hey. So, obìnrin. Your wallet is just all over the place. Okay, so now we're talking about PDA. How do you feel about PDA in general? Public, okay, it's not PDA. PDA is public display
Yeah,
of
of
affection.
affection, that's
This
all.
one is private. You're in the house.
Private, yes.
And you're wearing bum shorts. You're
Yes.
looking sexy.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes
in
I
fact,
just want to breathe.
In fact,
okay?
sometimes
I just want to breathe. Yes, like just so that everything is free and flow and hanging.
So women are saying now. I saw another video you posted.
Right.
She's the one. You should go check them out. She's the one that posts all the funny videos on Lola on IG.
Yeah.
There's this other one that said this is a nurse who says you should not wear panties in the house.
Oh yeah.
And I said, this one now, you said don't wear panties in the house. In the same breath, you are saying every time I go near my husband, Lord help me. Which one, self?
Yeah, you're supposed to be able to. So, some people like me, I never experienced living by myself. I came from my parents'
Yeah,
house
just scoop you up,
into your
sha.
house. Exactly.
Just straight up, sha.
I know people that when they go to bed, they sleep naked. They're not scared somebody's going to touch them while they're sleeping naked. I've never had that luxury to sleep naked.
Right,
God
because
forbid I sleep naked.
because you were with your siblings, you were living with your parents.
Exactly.
So you now come to your husband's house, you want to sleep naked in
I
peace.
would love to sleep naked in peace once in a while. But I don't think that's doable next to you. In fact, I dey fear for that one.
No,
Because
but
I'm like,
baby, you sleep naked.
when? After they do.
Almost. No, almost.
The only time I can sleep naked, okay, is maybe with.
But I'm always
completed a
tapping current
session.
all through the night, so-
We've done a session or 2 sessions, and then I wake up again. You are bouncing on me again, like
No,
So I'm
see-
always traumatized. I don't want to sleep naked.
A lot of those touchings are very reflex in nature. They're not stuff I'm not thinking. I'm sleeping,
Yeah.
but I know my wife is next to me.
You're
and I'm
touching. Your
touching,
wife is a
I'm
light
feeling, and
sleeper. She needs that sleep.
anyway, let's make this a little general, but the truth is that I enjoy every bit of it, and I will never stop.
I'm
In
sure you
Jesus'
do.
name,
Amen.
I will never stop.
Amen.
Anyway, but I think it's. I want to know. There's the side of okay, I can comprehend a little bit, right? There's the side of okay, god damn, man. I just walk through the goddamn house
Can I
with
just
nobody
be
touching me,
naked?
right? I understand that because I can imagine because you've touched my butt before. I'm like, what the fuck?
And I like doing that.
In the mall.
To be honest.
So I know that a lot was going on in my mind, and I was like, just leave me alone. Whatever that was that day.
Yeah.
Right? But so I can imagine because that's like you ladies don't exactly touch men as much.
No, we're
right?
not grabbing your.
You're not every second.
like
we tend.
you.
I understand that we like if you're walking around the house, I've eaten randomly in the house and stuff.
You just want to block it.
Yes.
Somebody cannot sit there and just be like, okay,
So-
everything is hanging, and let's just breathe.
Right.
We can't do that. So we can't go to a nude beach. Something must.
No. If he's all flying out his own naked, we'll probably on. But if he's inside, it's actually sweeter. It's more attractive when something is covering his smoke. It's actually more.
Oh my God.
So I can understand that's got to be annoying at some point. Maybe annoying. Maybe you ladies are too nice to even use the word annoying. You don't want us to feel some type of way by saying annoying. Yeah. But it's like, can this whole thing breathe?
Leave my body alone.
Right. So I can understand that, right? But there's got to be another aspect. Maybe before, maybe after. I don't know. When you enjoy that. He's attracted to me.
Oh no, of course.
He wants me. Does that feel good?
That feel good. I can't lie about that.
Are you aware of how many women that can't claim that?
In fact, I cannot comprehend. I'm like, wow. Sometimes when I hear women talk, I feel bad for them. I empathize because that cannot be me. Mm-hmm. How? How did you get here? I mean, it feels good. I won't lie about that.
Or he's already said, don't touch me so much time. He's normalized it too, and they're in a sexless situation.
Now in a situation where
right. Yeah. And now you're confused that you feel how you feel about him,
right.
But at the same time you know that we're definitely in a bad place.
Right.
It's just very funky and stuff, right? So I think it's overall, would you say it's a blessing or a curse?
I would say it's a blessing, no? With all these stories I'm hearing out there, of course it's a blessing. Can't lie about that.
Yeah, I would hope so, and I want the gentlemen that are listening to this, like, listen, it doesn't mean you should stop touching. That's not what it means.
No, it doesn't. And oftentimes when they say don't touch me, it's kind of playful. Like,
the example you posted was extreme. She was running and all of this.
Did you notice that she was smiling and laughing while she
was
running?
That's true, she was.
It was playful.
It was playful.
It was like fun. Like,
because we can take that personally.
No.
If it
was really personal, she could have slapped him and be like, don't ever touch me. No, it's kind of playful.
No, I think you knew it was playful because it was chasing too.
Exactly.
Jesus Christ.
It made him want to chase more.
No, I'm not going to physically chase like that. If I escape. I know she'll pass by again.
You just wait for me to pass by, you fool me again. Oh my God.
I know she'll pass by again, and then But I think to be in that, I think a lot of people envy that. Like if you're able to
be in that space.
Target. What's the English of target?
It's target. Oh yeah. What do you call target? You
flirt. Yeah. If you're 15 years in, you're still flirting.
Yeah.
I think that's got to be a blessing. I think also men can be considerate. Understand this is a human body.
Okay. No plucking and pulling and smacking. I'm like sometimes.
I saw a video.
When men smack, look. Some of us do not have enough adipose fat in our buttocks, okay? If you know your girl is not in the small yash, it's still a shake, but still, sometimes it can hurt. Right. You can do that with the ones with the big asses that just do blah blah blah.
Like sometimes I may hold your hand, and this is one thing I want men to understand, right? Just men in general, and this is something I have to pay attention to. I tend to pay more attention to women and how they behave more than an average man.
I mean, you pay attention to everything,
right? Well, kind of to a lot of things, especially when it has to do with emotions, right? So I notice that sometimes when I touch you, on my end, I feel like I'm just touching you. Maybe because I'm holding you, but he's holding you too hard, and you're like,
baby, who you shake like? Wait, stop! No, I honestly, sometimes I feel like you don't know that your hands. Look how big your hands are.
They are.
You're a man. You're a manly man. Look how my hand is next to yours. So when you hold me a little bit, I feel it.
Right.
But that's why I did me extra strong. I'm like, what is going on?
So,
are you trying to tell me something?
Yeah. So a little awareness.
Right.
You don't know on your end that you're doing that. A little awareness that.
Maybe I'm not a baby girl. Why you holding me like that?
Yeah. So just imagine that somebody is smacking your butt. I saw one video. The guy just went like this. Oh! and the girl was in the kitchen, and the girl didn't shake. She has a bottle this big. She didn't shake or anything like that. And then he goes again. Boom! Again. And then he did it 3 times. And the chick just was like this. Like,
whoa! Exactly. That's what it feels like. Exactly.
I think it's a punch slap in his face.
How does that feel?
But you know what? Anyway, that was fun.
You have to be reading the room
let's
sometimes.
just be considerate. I think it's a blessing overall, but let's be overall considerate so that you don't get a punch slap in your face
Abby.
for being affectionate. You know what I'm saying?